Today, I am reviewing 2025 AOC AX16 Pro Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop in 2025 that strikes the perfect balance between performance, portability, and value, then the AOC AX16 Pro Ryzen 7 laptop is definitely worth considering. This is a machine designed not just for casual users, but also for students, professionals, and even light gamers who want something reliable without spending a fortune. Today, I'm going to give you a full breakdown of its design, performance, display quality, connectivity, and overall usability, so you can decide if this is the right laptop for you. Let's start with the performance. At the heart of the AOC AX16 Pro is the AMD Ryzen 750-700U processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread chip that can boost up to 4.3 GHz, which means it's more than capable of handling everything from everyday multitasking to more demanding workloads like coding, video editing, and photo editing. When paired with the integrated Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics, you also get decent gaming performance. Now, this is not a high-end gaming laptop, but you'll still be able to comfortably run popular titles like Minecraft, Fortnite, Valorant, or even GTA 5 at medium settings. For casual gaming and multimedia use, the performance is smooth and responsive. Next, let's talk about memory and storage. Out of the box, the AOC AX16 Pro comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD. That means your apps open quickly, the laptop boots in seconds, and multitasking is seamless. Whether you're keeping dozens of browser tabs open, working with office applications, or switching between editing software, this machine won't slow you down. And if you're someone who likes to future-proof your device, there's good news. The RAM can be expanded up to 64 GB, and the storage can be upgraded all the way to 2 TB. That makes this laptop an excellent long-term investment. Now, let's move on to the display. This laptop features a 16.1-inch Full HD panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The screen is bright, colors are vivid, and the thin bezels give you an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're binge-watching movies, attending online classes, or editing photos and videos, the display feels sharp and easy on the eyes. For creators and professionals, this wide display gives you plenty of room to work on multiple windows side by side, which is a huge productivity boost. Design-wise, the AX16 Pro is sleek and modern. It comes in a premium silver metal body that not only looks great, but also feels sturdy in hand. Despite being a 16.1-inch laptop, it's slim at only 0.7 inches thick, and it weighs just enough to be portable without feeling flimsy. The hinge design even allows the screen to lay flat at 180 degrees, which is handy for presentations, note sharing, or when you just want to work comfortably from different angles. When it comes to connectivity, this laptop is very well equipped. You get 2 USB 3.2 ports, an HDMI port, a full-function USB Type-C, a TF card slot, a headphone jack, and even a Type-C DC charging port. On top of that, it supports Wi-Fi 6, which is 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 5, giving you stable, high-speed wireless connections whether you're streaming, gaming, or in a Zoom meeting. And yes, it also includes a webcam and a backlit keyboard, making it perfect for late-night work sessions or online classes. The battery is another strong point here. With a 53 watt-hour battery, you can expect up to 8 hours of use on a single charge, depending on your workload. That makes it a great option for students who need something reliable for an entire school day, or for professionals who want to work on the go without always being tied to a charger. To round things out, the AOC AX16 Pro ships with Windows 11 pre-installed, giving you access to the latest features, better productivity tools, and a cleaner overall experience. And importantly, AOC provides a 1-year warranty along with lifetime technical support, which is reassuring for anyone buying this laptop for long-term use. So, who is this laptop for? Honestly, it's a very versatile machine. If you're a student, this laptop will easily handle research, note-taking, and streaming. If you're a professional, it has the power for office applications, presentations, and light creative work. And if you're someone who just wants a reliable everyday laptop for browsing, watching movies, and a bit of gaming, the AOC AX16 Pro checks all the boxes. To sum it up, the AOC AX16 Pro with Ryzen 7 5700U, Radeon Vega 8 graphics, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage is a balanced and affordable laptop for 2025. It combines strong performance, a big and beautiful display, excellent connectivity, and solid build quality, all at a price that's hard to beat. If you're shopping for a new laptop this year and want something powerful but not overly expensive, the AOC AX16 Pro is absolutely worth considering.